DC TV Rwanda.
Oh my God. Hey! And tonight.
I'm so happy.
Yeah, last one.
To see you, brother.
Thank you.
This is a cool. I'm so proud of you.
Love, brother. Good to meet you, brother.
Thank you for supporting us.
Oh, you the guy? It's your boy.
The Ben.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He wouldn't stop talking about you.
Yeah, man.
And then as I heard some of your songs, you're amazing.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
You're amazing, bro. Physique is on point, too.
I mean, I'm trying to be like you.
You're not trying. You're not trying. You're there already.
I'm definitely. Are we gonna do a push-up challenge or something?
Oh, him.
With him?
He's I'm fragile. Look, I'm done for. I'm done for. You from here, born and raised?
Born in Uganda.
Okay.
Raised here, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
God has given you a massive talent, bro.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. How old are you?
I'm 35.
35. Okay, cool. I'm 30.
Yeah. I really appreciate you. We appreciate the love that you've been showing to our brother here.
Yeah.
And to our country as well.
Yeah.
So thank you very much.
100%. Well, what I can say is he's been grinding.
Yeah.
He caught my attention. It's the work that he put in.
Yeah.
In this country, Granda, the cleanest.
Yeah. You noticed it?
It's cleaner than America.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you for
You know
saying
what I'm
that.
saying? So it's been a pleasure being here, bro. 100%.
I don't want to say, this is the Indian young brother.
The boy.
Good to
This
see you,
is
brother.
the boy, Indian Ashton Hall. Yeah, so
Good to see you, brother.
his name is Yagandra, and he's a hard worker. He kills it.
So he flew all the way from India?
Yeah, we brought him here. This is his first time being out of the country. First country he came to was Africa.
Wow.
Second one will be America, unless we have another detour.
So he was actually in North India or South Africa?
He's in Gwalior.
He went to school in India.
Mid.
India. So do you speak Tamil or Hindi?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Oh, okay.
Hindi.
So I went to school in
India,
India.
South.
In South India.
South.
So
You know
I
Hindi?
Tamil, yeah, I
You know Hindi?
I know Tamil.
Made Hindi.
I went to school in South India.
Oh, okay.
So I was trying to find it out.
Oh, wow.
Is that the part is that the part you went to school to?
No. He's the north. I
Okay,
went
okay.
to the south.
No, mid, MP.
So you're in the mid?
Mid.
Okay, good.
My man, listen, we've been watching you. The entire country is super proud of you.
Yeah.
And we can't thank you enough, brother. We cannot thank you enough.
Thank you.
We love you. We love you big time.
Brother,
For real.
thanks for coming.
I've been following you for a while.
Yeah, thank you, bro. He's been talking about you the whole trip, so I was
Yeah.
like, how can we get this brother out here?
Can you please assist?
I said, who's your favorite artist? All he says is
A
you.
drink, please?
All he says. Singing all your songs the whole time. And he can sing.
Those videos they were all over the place. He can sing.
He can sing.
Yeah, he can sing big time.
Yeah, he's a very, very humble dude. You know what I'm saying? God has his hands on him.
Yeah.
And it's a blessing.
And I also love the. It seems like what you do. There's a bigger purpose on top of what you're just showing. They're showing that you want to lead people to the cross,
to the kingdom.
to the kingdom.
100%.
It's amazing, and that's what I believe in as well.
100%.
So I think that added up to something about you, because we already loved you. We already loved your content you share,
Yeah.
but the purpose you have behind it, it's bigger than what we can see.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
Yeah.
Everything is temporary.
Yeah.
We all have deep, dark days.
Absolutely.
Dark days. But when I can think, okay, even if I have nothing, I still got Jesus.
Exactly.
That means I have everything. You know, so that's the only
a
peace, that's the only
huge
hope I
message.
have. And I feel like that's what everybody should hear. That's what everybody should be holding on their shoulders. 'Cause this life is hard.
Yeah.
This life is tough, bro.
Yeah.
You know, not to be a preacher or anything like that.
Yeah.
But like, life is challenging, man.
Seeing a young man like you could be doing, you could be sharing other messages, but for you to
Yeah.
choose to share the message of kingdom is amazing.
The most important message.
I really appreciate you.
Yeah, we got to get up though.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I'm only here for a little bit.
Where are you living?
Tonight.
Really?
Tonight,
I
bro.
thought you're gonna go, but we're still going for dinner, right? You coming to my house? Right?
Yeah, I think we're about to go do something right now. We're about to leave this spot and then do something with you.
Okay.
It's word that I got. I
I
was
thought you were
super
going
excited
to
about that.
Musanze. What's the name of the place?
We're trying to stretch it out. We're trying to go everywhere. We're supposed to go to gyms, restaurants. They want him everywhere.
Yeah? You go
They
great.
went for the Korean?
They want.
You know, I'm not going to Mugwe.
I don't know.
Oh, yeah?
Wherever he wants to go first.
No, because wait, it's far. If you're living tonight, you can go to.
Oh, it's far.
It's about 2 hours away.
Oh no.
That's where the cows are?
Next trip, but I can tell you this:
That's where the cars are.
Yeah,
The cows.
the cows. I put that in my script, but I can tell you this: I'm for
Probably
sure
gonna come
coming
back
back to Granda though, 1,000%.
Okay.
We're actually gonna tour the whole East.
Okay.
Yeah, but
Oh, East Africa?
Special announcement. Yeah,
Really?
for sure.
Are you going to Uganda?
Yeah.
So that's my second home country.
Oh, really?
Because I was born there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, it's gonna be amazing.
Uganda or Uganda?
Uganda. I was born in Uganda.
I'm saying
Huh.
Uganda.
Oh,
Rwanda.
Rwanda, of course. Rwanda comes first.
I thought I was gonna trip him up. He didn't even think about it. He said Uganda comes first. It's here. It's here.
Obviously, Uganda number 2 for sure.
Uganda number 2. It's love. It's love. It's love. It's love. Alright, yeah, let's walk.
Yeah. Fresh kabisa. Abahungu bacu bari muri zino nce ariko nabo.
The boy.
Yeah.
Champion.
Are you loving Rwanda?
Yeah. Beautiful city. I stand.
Hey, Small, have you seen him before in person? Small. Have you seen him in person before?
Yeah, we met in person.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we met him one time though.
How long ago?
It's been probably a week before you flew to see you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, you met him a week ago?
Yeah, like a week ago. Yeah.
Oh, that's smooth.
Yeah. He came. I had a big show in a countryside called Mutara,
And he pulled up?
and he pulled out.
For real?
Yeah, with the entire team.
Oh, really?
Yeah, ciao.
Thank you. Watch your feet.
I will see you again.
God is lucky, kagarara. God is lucky. I love you so much. I love you so much. I love you.
Get ready for that still shot.
Thank you, man.
Tonight will be history recognized. The band is in the house. Anshton Small, Anshton, and Anshton India are in the house as well.
sounds like he songs to you in the car. He likes the song.
Yeah. Let's go.
Anshton is in the house. Anshton is here. Anshton Swan. We are celebrating Anshton Swan. And guess what? The baby in the house.
Give us this, give us this. Okay, back.
We are going to perform this song all together. Sito, we're going to be on kagarara cyane. I'm just too proud of them to perform it. Thank you, my God. Ukina uko mamashi. Let's show him love. To whatever is going to share and some more. Sito, what is it?
Chat, this is his favorite artist. We brought out his favorite artist to sing for him specifically in person. His favorite artist.
This is a thankful song.
Yeah.
So we say thank you, my God, thank you today, and I will thank you tomorrow. For your love, you have never disappointed me.
Yeah.
That's why I think we go emotionally what these days to give thanks to God.
Yeah.
Just a gospel song, basically.
Yeah.
So, my brother, we're proud of you, we love you, and to you, brother, we can thank you now. I swear, if you look into every morning's heart, you will see that super grateful. Thank you so much. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep it to the cross.
Yeah.
God bless you.
God first always. I appreciate you guys coming out. You know, we really did this because Anshton Small, he caught my attention online. You know, he's been killing it. And he's the reason why we're all here today. You know, I know God works through people. So this moment, the check? Oh, yeah. So right here, we have a little bit of a surprise, nothing too big, something small for you, right? We want to honor you because you've been doing not your work, you've been doing God's work, right? And we know at the end of the day, we know at the end of the day that that's all that matters. Everything is temporary. The muscle's temporary. The money, the fame, you know, even your family is temporary. All eternity is the goal. And you keep God first, and we all appreciate that. You know, the platform you have right now, 500 million views in 30 days. Brother, I'm glad that it came to you. You know, we made the right person, I would say, famous, especially in Grande. So for me to you, brother, this is one of many blessings that God has for you. We're going to give you $5,000 as a jump start, right? This isn't gonna retire you. Love, brother, love, love, love. This won't retire you. This is just something. This is only something so you can get a head start. Because I know you're gonna be a star, right? I want you to focus on your content, focus on the message that you're pushing to the world, right? I posted you on my page one time and everybody was blowing up my phone. Action small, action small, action small. They see a light in you, brother. And I just want to say thank you for allowing me to spend 2 weeks with you personally. Love you, bro. Love, brother. Love, brother. You a king, bro. It's the beginning. That's not it. But that's not it. We got one more surprise. We got one more surprise. That's not it. This is only the beginning. We're going to hit him with the grand finale. But we're going to make sure that my guys are set up properly before we get into it. Who we got? Corona here? Everybody ready? Corona? Corona? So look, we're gonna get everybody hyped. Look, I want you guys to play a happy song. Give us 2 to 3 minutes so we can make sure we have everything right and set up in the background so we can honor my brother the right way and we can have something to look back at, right? So somebody crank up the music. Come on, turn the song. Turn the song.
Let's celebrate Anshton squad. Let's go with the happy music.
Who's gonna dance though? Can somebody dance? Can we get somebody dancing? That disability really isn't inability. You got a big heart, brother. I love you, bro. Love. Hop up in there. Go ahead. Easy. A to B. A to B. Too easy. Too easy. I'm gonna get on the other side. Let me get on the other side. You okay?
It's your own. It's your own car, man. No more rent. No more rent for a car. It's your own car. No more rent again.
Hey, look.
Jesus
This is the
king.
beginning. It's a Kia. I was looking for a Jeep, but they ain't have no Jeeps out here in
Jesus is
Ghana.
the king. And
But
Jesus is
listen,
walking.
this is gonna be point A to point B. You know what I'm saying? We can see
believe
if
now.
you can learn to drive it. We can get you the
Wow.
stick, and maybe you can grip the steering wheel. We'll see if you can drive it over time. But don't feel pressure to drive it anytime soon.
Amazing.
You got your brothers. Your brother can drive it for you. You hop right in the passenger seat. Y'all get from point A to point B. You know how you just went on a trip for 8 hours? Now you can do it in your own car. You ain't got to call and say, hey, can I get a ride? Can I, nah, bump that. You got your own car. You just need a little driver. The good thing is that you got brothers out here.
From bottom of my heart, I really appreciate you, man. Thanks a lot.